What's up guys, in this video I will share with you how to make $100 per day with ClickBank. And guys, if you want me to start a series on the ClickBank so that you can actually start making $100 per day with ClickBank, then let me know in the comment box, because if you are interested then surely I will do a series so that you can actually start making money. Okay, but before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. And so now, what is the process to make $100 per day? I will not be sharing everything like what everybody is sharing, like selecting the products on the ClickBank, selecting the traffic sources, just doing this, doing that. Nothing like that. I will be sharing something different in this video, the behind the scenes, what really works behind the scenes. Okay, so what I'm going to share with you, literally you have also watched a ton of videos on how you can make money with ClickBank. Generally what they do, they just find a good product and just look at the sales page and then just literally tell about the traffic source, but literally in that they do not even tell you how to pick a product. But if you want me to do all of the things, let me know in the comment box. But today I will be sharing the very first thing that you need to remember when starting with the ClickBank affiliate marketing or any kind of affiliate marketing. Then this thing you need to remember. So basically guys, what everybody else is doing, they are literally driving the traffic. Let's say this is the ClickBank offer. Okay, let's say this is the ClickBank offer, whatever it is. For example, we can take this as John Cristani's affiliate program. Okay, affiliate product. So this is the product over here. Let's pick it over here, and this is the traffic sources that they are going to use. It can be anything like paid traffic, free traffic, solo ads, Google ads, or anything like that. So this is the traffic source, and they are going to drive the traffic directly to the promotion or product, and literally there is no connection between both of them. The customer do not even know who the hell are you, why you are going, why he should buy you. He is not having any reason. Might be you are going to get a sale. Literally let's say if the product is going to convert at let's say the product is going to convert at 5%. Okay, the product is going to convert at 5%, but if you are going to use this method, literally your conversion will drop even up to your conversion will drop up to 0.5%. So that's how much bad this is, because there is no connection, there is no relation between them. He do not even know who the hell are you. What the hell is going on? Okay, so he do not even know who are you. What happened with this? Okay, yeah, so they do not even know who are you, why are you here, what are you doing, why they should buy you. Okay, so that's why the conversion dropped by 10 times. It is really that much bad, guys, because we are going to drive the traffic directly from here to here, and maybe we are going to drive 1 or 2 sales in about 500 to 1000 clicks. So that in that way it's really getting harder and harder as we are moving ahead. So it's getting harder and harder even to make the break even. Okay, that's why the people are losing a lot of money in the affiliate marketing, and they are saying that affiliate marketing is dead. Absolutely not. Affiliate marketing is not going to get dead so soon. Literally what you need to do, you need to provide the valuable content. Okay, let's say basically what the gurus do, basically the gurus do one thing. They simply do 1 or 2 things, like they do just one thing. They simply collect emails. So when they are going to collect emails, they are really going to make a lot more money. That is the one thing. But if still you cannot start providing value, you do not want to build a list, then one thing what I will recommend you, if you do not want to build a list, then this can be very much beneficial for you. If you cannot build a list, then simply before driving traffic to the ClickBank offer, send them either to a page or either to a YouTube video or either to a 1-page article or something like that, where you are going to provide them value. You are going to tell something about the product yourself, because at least there is a medium, at least they will come to know who you are, at least they are going to see that there is a person there. All the process is not just automatic, there is somebody, personal person like me. So the trust will increase. I'm damn sure then still your conversion will not increase to 5%, but still you are going to get much better conversion rate. You can get 2.5% conversion rate or maybe 1%, but still it's better than this. Okay, it's better than this. But the best thing that you should do in the long term is highly recommend is start building an email list, because that is what will be profitable. Yeah, let's say if tomorrow the Facebook is going to shut down your ad account, what you will do? You have lost your business. You have completely lost your business. What if your Google ad has been disabled just because of not following some of the guidelines? What if there will be something another happens? For example, there may be any traffic source has gone. For example, a day will come when the Facebook will come to an end, because with that time there will be new social media will be keep on coming. For example, Instagram is really hitting hard on it is slapping other social media platforms. Let's say you are driving 90% of your traffic from the Facebook, and one day Facebook is going to shut down, but you are just keep on doing the same thing again and again, but you are not moving to another traffic source, that is Instagram. But now when you are going to move to that Instagram, it will take you time, and your whole business is lost. You do not even have money consistently coming in to invest, and there is no consistent income because you do not know what the traffic source, the cost of the traffic source will be keep on going up and up. And also the people will be getting more and more aware. They are not going to buy from someone they do not know, they are going to buy from somebody they know. Okay, so the best thing in the long term is, let me just erase this completely. The best thing in the long term is literally just one thing: start providing value and build a long-term relation with them. Okay, wherever you can, yeah, you should run the paid traffic. There is nothing better than the paid traffic when it comes to driving the passive making passive income and building a brand, growing faster, scaling up. Yeah, it's very best, but you also need to remember some of the things that we are here to make money, not to lose money. So over here you can see over here we are going to drive that traffic now from here. Okay, we are going to drive the traffic from here to the ClickBank offer. From here, look at this, we are going to drive the traffic first of all from here. Let's say this is the traffic source. We are going to drive traffic to the opt-in page. Thereafter you can link out it to the ClickBank offer. So if the guy is not even going to buy the product, still you have his email, you can contact him whenever you want, you can promote the product because you have collected their email. Okay, you do not even need to provide anything for free if you do not want. Literally if you are going to provide something for free, it will be much better. You are going to get much higher conversion rate, you will build a better relation. But if you do not want, that's still better than this. You can drive traffic over here to just simply collecting emails without providing anything for free, and then simply redirecting them to over here. And the best thing you can do, provide something over here for free. Yeah guys, it should not be a course of 10-day course, even 5-day course. Literally an ebook really works very well. Why? Just because the ebook is something like they can consume instantly. Maybe after 2 days they are not going to look at the training. Maybe the email land in the spam box and the training is not delivered to them, so the relation may get interrupted. Okay, you need to provide them something that they can start using immediately, they can get benefit immediately. You need to provide something, only then the relation will be getting deeper and deeper. Yeah, I also used to provide the training, but that is, I have also seen that training is not helping a lot of people in a better way. So now I have converted all of the training videos into an ebook, and now I provide the ebook. Okay, and if you want 100% free training to make $100, I have an ebook that is going to help you to build business within today. Just start, read that ebook and just start taking action instantly. That's what you need to do. That's simply where you are going to start making money. Okay, because they are going to consume the ebook instantly and they can start taking action instantly. Otherwise they have to wait 5 to 6 days to start taking action. That's what I think now, and really guys, I'm getting good results. People are really sending me good stuff that this time the ebook is helping them, just because they can consume it instantly. They are not procrastinating, because I have made it in such a good way that I'm persuading them to take action. But in the 5-day training, they are not persuaded in that much way. This is one of the catch you need to remember. Okay, so you need to provide something over here for free. It should not be of thousands of dollars, but it should be valuable. Okay, oh, and after that you can send the traffic to the ClickBank offer. That really works very well. And then you can, if the product, if he is not going to buy, you can promote him later on to your email list. That is what I believe is going to work very well. And if you want me to continue this ClickBank training, let me know in the comment box, because I'll be sharing more stuff, how to choose the best products, and how you can even get the free copy of the ClickBank product, and also how you can drive the best traffic source. And also I'll be sharing much more methods what I have used, and really that really works, guys. Okay, so let me know in the comment box, and if you have any question regarding this, then check out comment below. And also if you want to make $100 per day, then check out the link in the description. That is, training is going to really help you. Okay, so I will see you there, and bye bye, tata for now.